Yakshagana is a unique traditional folk theatre of Karnataka state in India. It has a rich history of more than 5 centuries. It combines the feature of opera as well as drama, along with the characteristics of moral education and mass entertainment. This troupe is Sri Idagunji Mahaganapati Yakshagana Mandali, Keramane. This troupe was established in 1934 by Sri Shivarama Hegde of Keramane, who is a distinguished artist by himself, and he is a recipient of the most prestigious Sangeeta Academy Award. Currently, he is the director of Academy for Janapada and Yakshagana in Bangalore. Namaskara, Mr. Shambhu Hegde.
Namaskara.
Please welcome to the show. And we know this unique art. We would like to know more about it. Could you please tell us a little bit more about Yakshagana, its origin and the history?
ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಒಂದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ರಂಗಭೂಮಿ. ಅದರ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಸಾಧಾರಣ 500 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಪ್ರಸಂಗಗಳು ಸಿಗೋದು 500 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಈಚೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ನಾಟ್ಯಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂಗಗಳನ್ನು ಅದು ಮೈಗೂಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೃತ್ಯ ಇದೆ, ಅಭಿನಯ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ವಾಚಿಕಾಭಿನಯ ಅನ್ನೋದಿದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವೇಷಭೂಷಣ, ಮುಖವರ್ಣಿಕೆ, ಹಸ್ತಾಭಿನಯ, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲಾತ್ಮಕ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡಂಥ ಒಂದು ರಂಗಭೂಮಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಇದು.
So this, and now can you please tell us a little bit more about the different characteristics or how Yakshagana is unique by itself?
ಅಂದರೆ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ರಂಗಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪಾತ್ರಗಳ ಪ್ರವೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಅದರದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಸಾಂಪ್ರದಾಯಿಕ ವಿಧಾನಗಳಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ರಾಜ ವೇಷದ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಹೀಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದು ರಾಜ ರಂಗಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರವೇಶಿಸುವಾಗ ಈ ಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಪಾತ್ರದ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಈಗ ರಾಜವೇಷದ್ದಾಯಿತು. ಇನ್ನು ಕುಮಾರವೇಷ, ಯಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಬಬ್ರುವಾನ, ಅಭಿಮನ್ಯು, ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ಅವರು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
That was really a nice performance by Mr. Shivananda Hegde. He portrayed himself in the Jarasandha Vadhe through his actions, through his postures, through his facial expression.
No, that is how Jarasandha wins. Because of that drum, he explains to the Arjuna that if you, Arjuna and Bhima, if you demolish this drum, then only you can win Jarasandha. Otherwise, it is difficult because when the drum plays, the enemies will run away because of the sound of furious sound of the drum.
So after that, you also had some dialogues, which followed your dance, which is a unique style for Yakshagana for itself. It's the extempo speech. As I've heard, Mr. Shambhu Hegde, that this speech that Mr. Shivananda has portrayed just now, it is not like
ಅಂದರೆ ಪದ್ಯದ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಯಾಯ ಪಾತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಒಪ್ಪಿತವಾದಂಥ ಸಂಭಾಷಣೆಯನ್ನು ಆತ ತತ್ಕ್ಷಣ ರೂಪಿಸಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ.
Shivananda Hegde, you were introduced to the art of Yakshagana at a young age of 12. Nowadays, you know, people say that you don't do you don't have to do what your father or grandfather did, But still, as a youngster, why? What motivated you to choose this particular art? You could have become something else as in your profession, but you still chose to be an Yakshagana artist. What really motivated you to do it?
In this theater form, because it is very communicative. So that way I have a lot of encouragement from my parents. So I took this art, and it is very important. We can communicate to the mass.
Yakshagana, as you're saying, it is really educates the mass in the public regarding our great epics of Ramayana and Mahabharata and all the mythological stories of Puranas, which you can educate the younger generation.
Yes.
And it also has mass entertainment values also.
Of course.
So it does both educational as well as entertainment.
Yes.
So you really have a love for this art.
Yes.
And you have respect for this art.
Yes.
And that's why you wanted to be.
I wanted to be an artist of Yakshagana. This is my desire, my passion.
And I also heard that, just like your father, you also took training with regarding your choreography under great Srimati Maya Rao.
Yes.
Both of you have taken your diploma in choreography, because Maya Rao by herself is such a great artist.
Yeah.
And I know that future plans to take your troupe furthermore, to advance this more.
Yeah, I think there are a lot of scope to enhance this art. In my view, we have to take this art for more people, so that there are a lot of we can do a lot of experiment within the tradition, and the group choreography is important, and not a single person exhibition. It is a group achievement. So in that way, we have to take this art out of Karnataka, and we have to expand the geographical area. As this art, as I know in my experience, is can be communicated with any people, whatever level, whatever the caste, creed, or religion. This art can go there and make them happy. So that way, in my ambition is to
spread this art all over the universe, all over the world.
Right.
I think already you have performed almost like 6,500 shows, that as I've heard.
Yes.
And you have gone not only to, just as this Yakshagana art is found mostly in the North Canara, South Canara and Malnar region, your troupe has gone way beyond.
Yes.
You've crossed not only Karnataka, you've done all over India. And you have crossed India, you have gone to United States, Russia, China, Bahrain, Hong Kong, to all other places. You're taking your troupe, you're trying to spread this particular art to educate the public. Tell us a little bit more about your school and how a person can get an admission to your school.
1986 ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡಳಿಯ ಆಶ್ರಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದು ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲು. 1 ವರ್ಷ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿರಬೇಕು. ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕಾಗಿ 1 ವರ್ಷ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಊಟ ಮತ್ತು ವಸತಿ ಎಲ್ಲವುದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಫೀ ತಗೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಭಾಗವತಿಗೆ, ಮೃದಂಗ ಮತ್ತು ವೇಷಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಆಸಕ್ತರಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅವರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ನಡೆಸುತ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ಇದು 86ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಅದು ನಡೀತಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
And what is the name of your school?
ಶ್ರೀಮಯ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಕಲಾಕೇಂದ್ರ, ಅಂದರೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಇಡಗುಂಜಿ ಮಹಾಗಣಪತಿ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಕಲಾಕೇಂದ್ರ ಅಂತ.
And it is
ಕೆರೆಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ 3 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಕೆರೆಮನೆ ಶಿವರಾಮ ಹೆಗಡೆಯವರ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಂ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಒಂದು 500-600 ಜನ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಂ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಿನಲ್ಲೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ.
So all the students who gain admission to yours and thankful to you.
Thank you.